Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and today I've got, well, another American lock which I've never picked before. Clearly I've picked a lot of American locks. They're all basically the same plug inside, same core, and they're all pinned to 5 pins at factory unless I think you specify otherwise. It's aluminium bodied, but as far as I can tell, there isn't much difference between this series 30 and the 1100 series, apart from this super long shackle. Yeah, and the fact it did come with a bit of weather shielding on it, so this is probably a full cover for the padlock. It's got all sorts of dirt and grime and grossness inside. Probably been stored in a shed for a while, and it is a bit greasy and grimy on the inside. But yeah, if you know what makes this different to an 1100 series lock, then please do let me know in the comments. I'd love to know whether it's there's something specific about this lock, whether it's the weather shielding, whether it's the long shackle, I don't know. To pick it, I'd like to use a 1.3mm top of the keyway turner and a 18,000th gem pick. So let's just see where we get to with this. That's a little click on 5, 4, little click on 4. No more, I don't think, on that one. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, back to 5. Little click. 4. 3. Wasn't happy with that though. 2. Oh, into a bit of a false set. Anything on 1? No, not feeling anything there. 5, no, that's oversetting, I can tell. 4, 3, 2, oh, my tension tool's slipping. There we go. It's not open though, so somebody isn't playing ball. It could be pin 1. Let's see if I can get onto pin 1 here. Yep, and I think it was pin 1, and we got it open. Whew, there we go. Yeah, even though the bitting on this isn't exactly spectacular, it's still picked just like an American lock. Very light on the tension to get that feedback. I'm just trying to get my light in a bit closer to see what I need to gut this, and it looks like I need a hex key. And it'll be, I believe, Imperial, so we've got a set of those. Let's see if we can't quickly gut this. Shouldn't take too long to do. I'm going to go with the... Oh, I'm going to get this wrong, aren't I? This one. Yes, too big. Or was it? Ah, no, I probably don't need these ones. I need the other set, which is sort of blunt-ended, and we'll go with, it's either going to be one of these, isn't it? These are really good, but they've got these stupid little round ends on which don't always grip on as you'd want. So yeah, not a bad set, but depends on the lock. Right, I think it's going to be one of these ones then. Let's try these. Usually it's one of these. Oh, is it the bigger one? I'm struggling to see down there. Definitely looks like a hex key. Unless it's been ground off somehow. How unusual. I'm probably going to leave this into the video because this is strange. I need to get one of these little inspection lights down there. These are normally not that hard to gut. Okay. Oh, it looks like a rivet. I'll see if I can get a view down there, but it looks like it's like literally riveted closed. move that light out of the way a bit, and then try to use this for the lighter. Yeah. I don't know whether you can tell down there. Probably not. I can from here. But this appears to be like, it looks like a rivet. You can't actually get that off. How odd. Get that light in a real close. I don't know whether I can get an angle for you to see down there. Even with this sort of fibre optic light, I can't seem to. Let's try a thicker one maybe. Get you the view that you so richly deserve. Maybe. Probably can't really see it. I'm trying all my best, but yeah, this seems to be just a rivet down there. Yeah, is that normal? I think I've seen that on military ones. Is this a military lock? I don't know, but I have seen that kind of like riveted screw before on some American locks. But like I said, they've been the American military versions of the lock. So yeah, that is unusual. Well, I guess it saves me gutting the lock. Probably wasn't very exciting. A mixture of serrated and spool driver pins with serrated keepings if they're long enough, as per most American locks, I would imagine. But yeah, what a shame. Anyway, that's the American lock series 30. Tell me anything you know about that lock in the comments below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe, hit the notifications button as well. It really does help my channel out. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.